My dear students, today I am going to show the demo for multiple price levels in Tally ERP9. Say sometimes we can give offer for certain seasons, that is for festival season, January 1st, Deepavali. Some occasional discounts we will give. For that we have to set up prices for level A, level B, level C, like that. Some companies is actually say like that Flipkart company, they are providing prices at 30% discount, 10% discount, like that in some occasions. So that once we feed this price level A, level B, level C like this, as on date, so and so date, it will take automatically that whatever we have fixed the price, it will take automatically. So how to set this multi-level prices for particular dates, we are going to explain here. So go here, Tally. First of all, this is the Tally. Okay, this is the gateway of Tally. Go here, F11 features, then select this one, inventory features. After that, there is a button, sales management. Here, use multiple price levels, yes. Say retail, wholesale, cash discount, like this. You can give any name. Now what we are going to do is, we are going to create these items: monitor, hard disk and Moto E. Then we will fix the rates, slab A, slab B, slab C, where I have shown here. Go to Tally, say inventory info, stock items, create, monitor. Under group, it is not necessary now. This is units, is numbers, so you have to create. Here itself you can create that unit name. Press Alt C to create new unit. Say numbers. Okay. Now one more item is hard disk and mobile E. Hard disk, hard disk. Sorry. Numbers. Then Moto E. This is group you can create as mobiles. You can mention the mobiles. Here numbers. Okay, these three items has been created. Now we are going to create levels for A, B, C, like these rates. Now go to price list. Inventory info. Stock items. Sorry. Price list, retail. Now we are going to select here hard disk. From April 2. Say this is April 2. This is June 2. And this is June 3. So April 2, as on April 2, the price list we are going to fix here. Say monitor rate is 5000. Then hard disk 4000. Say hard disk 4000 per number. Then afterwards Moto E 6000. Moto E 6000. See this slab A we have created as on date, we have mentioned here like this. This is under we have given as retail price. Say this slab is a retail price applicable from, just we are giving the date here. Now price level from 2nd June. From 2nd June, this hard disk, say hard disk is from June 3750. Then monitor is 4750. Then Moto E 5750. That's it. Now slab 3 is level C from June 3. From June 3 the rates will affect as like this. Say June 2. June 2002. June, this is say August 2002. Hard disk is 35, 2nd August. Hard disk is 3500. Say, sorry, 3500. Then monitor is 4500. Then Moto E is 5500. Now we are going to raise invoice. When I am going to raise invoice for sale, when I enter the date from April 2, these items will pick up these rates. When I enter in June 2nd, monitor will automatically will pick this rate. Hard disk will take this rate. Moto E will take this rate. I am going to explain. See, we are going to testing. Go here. This is April 2. Okay. Say cash. Say retail price. While I entered this price level as retail. Say local sale. Create one more ledger. Local sales. Sales ledger. Inventory values. VAT returns, yes. Say example 5%. Local sales, this is VAT loss is 5%. Say when I enter monitor, the rate should comes 5000 automatically. Monitor. Say two numbers 5000. Then when I take this hard disk, one number, I am not going to enter the price, just putting enter 4,000. Then Moto E. Moto E, 2 numbers, that will take 6,000. Then output VAT. That's it. Now we are going to raise invoice on June 2nd. Whether the rates are automatically pick up or not, we will going to check. Say enter here 2nd June. Cash account, retail price, local sale, hard disk. Hard disk is 3,750. We will check it. One number, 3,750. Monitor. When I enter monitor quantity, the rate will pick up as 4,750. 4,750, right? Then Moto E. Moto E. One number, that will took the rate as 5,750. One number, 5,750. That's it. Now we are going to enter one more voucher in August 2nd. Say 2nd August. Cash account. Say local sale. Sorry, retail sale. Here local sale. Enter VAT loss is 5%. Say monitor. Monitor, when I enter quantity, the price 4,500 will took automatically. Say one number. Okay. Hard disk. Say 5 number. Hard disk is 3,500. Whether it will okay, right? Then Moto E. When I enter one number or two number, whatever it is, the price will pick up 5,500. 5,500. So it's working. That's it. For large stores, that means the company who are maintaining so many stock items, it is very easy to maintain sales price list. That means you don't want to refer any catalog or any price list. This is the easiest way. You can create so many items, so many slabs like this. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any doubts, you can send a message to WhatsApp this number. Also you can watch more videos at www.tallymoney.com. Thank you for watching this video.